Privacy is a vital aspect of our online lives. Understanding how to manage your privacy settings on social media like Facebook is essential to protect your personal information. To start with, log into your Facebook account and navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you'll find the Privacy section. Click on it to review who can see your posts and your shared content. To ensure that only your friends can see what you share, select the option that limits your audience to friends only. This way, your posts and photos are visible only to those that you trust. Additionally, review your friend requests and make sure you know who you're connecting with. Privacy settings aren't just about limiting visibility. They're also about creating a safe online space for yourself. By taking control of your privacy settings, you can enjoy a far more secure online experience.